So the big changes will come before 2027, when some of the language models will have improved upon themselves enough to be operating at genius level in every industry. And then I believe by about 2030, the robot plants that are pumping out more humanoid-looking robots that'll be completely automated by the previous generation of human-looking robots. They'll be the workers. And those will be outside the cities, like out in, around Nevada somewhere, out and around Las Vegas somewhere. They're going to stay out of the human living zones, basically, because they can run 24/7, trucks in and out 24/7. So you don't want to disrupt people's lives and things like that. So they'll be outside the major cities, these big, and this is where the government will pool funds to build these big manufacturing plants. And they'll just be pumping out bot after bot of all kinds, flying ones, water ones, humanoid ones of all kinds.
Unbelievable, man.
Yeah, it's all within a handful of years at current predictions and current pace, unless we slow down.
Do you talk to your family about it? To your kids?
Just my wife. I don't want to scare the kids. Yeah, just my wife. I was like, because she has a government job, and I'm always asking her, like, what's the level of scrutiny that military leaders are looking at this with? Because it is extremely serious. And the problem is a lot of our military leaders are a lot older, and they adapt new tech probably faster than non-military people because it is a part of their mission. But they don't adapt it fast. They don't take it seriously fast. Keep in mind, the things that were science fiction last year are real now. I know. So what's next year?
Yeah, I see.
I mean, it was amazing that we put the power of the internet in a smartphone in the palm of your hand, touting that, we would have all the knowledge of mankind in the palm of your hand. What did we do with it? We made video games, to kill time. So I think there's just been this track record of, I say, the boy who cried wolf or something like that.